Riley.
And I'm Marika.
And today we will be showing you how to make a origami box and an origami crane.
I'm here representing the Rikibutsu Friendship Society. Last year we had the amazing opportunity to go to Japan, and on that trip I've learned a lot, and it was overall a great experience.
The families from the Rikibutsu Friendship Society had the amazing opportunity to host some of the students from Rikibutsu. Just like how we went to Japan and we got to stay at their houses, they got to come here and it was an amazing time. So if you think that this would be something you and your family would like to participate in, you can always join the Rikibutsu Friendship Society. So this is the box first, and we start with folding the paper in half with the color facing up.
And then you do the same on the other side.
So when you're done that, flip the page so the white is facing up and bend and fold each corner into the middle.
Next you're going to fold the paper to one half of the paper to the center.
And do the same thing on the other side.
Then you're going to fold it again, except this way, fold it so the line is in the, how would you say that?
In the center.
And try to make sure each sides are equal. Okay.
So when you're done this, you want to unfold what you just did and also pull out two of the corners, opposite corners.
The sides that had the white triangles facing up.
Yeah. And now, where the blue and the white, or the color and the white meet, fold inwards
To create another triangle. And do on the other side as well. And do the same on the other side as well.
When you got this, you want to fold it over and into the inside of the box. And like she said, do it on the other side.
having the pattern facing up.
And do the same thing on the other side.
Next, you're gonna flip it so the pattern's facing up, and you're gonna create a triangle, and the blank side will be up.
Again, doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now you want to take the corners that are pointed upwards and fold them in and kind of create a diamond shape like this and just make it flat. And then you want the open part facing you. So now that the open side is facing you, you take one of the sides and fold it into the center like that. And with the opposite side, you do the exact same thing.
And then do the same thing on the other side. So now you unfold it and create it so it's like this, and then refold it so that you have it, so it looks longer. And do the same on the other side.
So now that both sides are looking the same, you want to essentially do the same thing you did before and fold in the sides to the center. Also make sure it's the side that can separate. And repeat on the other side.
Now you're gonna take your two sides and you're gonna press the center of the middle and fold it upwards. And then fold the leg kind of like this. And then do that on the other side. Now look at your two sides, and whichever is the longest, you'll create the head, and you'll unfold it again and then press the middle and fold it. So it's like this. Lastly, you're gonna separate the two wings and then pull apart the bottom so that it can stand up by itself.